Welcome to the BUZUD Ear Thermometer Instructions. Guide to device. Components and areas. Ear thermometer. Storage case. Probe cover. Disposable ear cover. Ear thermometer. Measurement button. Display screen. Memory button. Heat-resistant probe. Ear cover. Replacement button. Open the BUZUD app. Turn on the ear thermometer. Ensure the screen is on and the indicator light is lit. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the ear thermometer device and tap. Once connected, you can view the device status and change settings in the device list. While connecting, the device display may dim, but the indicator light will remain on. Open the disposable ear cover box. Remove the ear thermometer from the storage case. Hold the ear thermometer and align the probe with the storage case. Do not remove the cover by hand. Fit the disposable ear cover directly onto the probe. When powered on, the display will show 3 short dashes. Measurement can only be taken when the indicator light is on. If the indicator light is off, please check for any incorrect operation. With one hand, pull the ear upwards. With the other, insert the thermometer into the ear. Press the measurement button for an instant temperature reading. Once the progress bar is fully loaded, you can proceed with the next measurement. Please pay attention to the position of the probe. Error. Ear cover not properly installed. If the measurement result is outside the normal range, the ear thermometer screen will turn orange and an alert will sound. The ear cover is for single use only. Replace it for each measurement. After measuring, press the eject button again. Replace the cover and return the thermometer to the storage case. Press the memory button to view up to 10 sets of temperature readings. Press and hold the memory button to clear the temperature records. After deleting the records, the display will appear as shown. Press and hold the power button to turn off the device. If no action is taken after measuring, the device will automatically power off after about 60 seconds. After switching off the device, open the BUZUD app to view or delete temperature measurement data. Press and hold the power button when the display shows the disposable ear cover and Celsius icons flashing. You can switch the temperature unit between Celsius and Fahrenheit by pressing the memory button. After switching, turn the device off and on again. The new unit will be set automatically. If the disposable ear cover is not installed, an icon will flash on the display.